In 2018, our story in El Paso began. A city where football and football are pronounced exactly the same, where sports transcend international boundaries, with fans who truly love their city and their soccer. Over the years, we fought together against bitter rivals, witnessed historic victories,
Seba Velasquez to the far post and in! Seba Velasquez punches El Paso's ticket into the Western Conference Finals.
conquered the Lone Star State, it put local talent on the national stage. Y obviamente, festejamos como locos. We've done this all together, como una familia. Oh, how great we've been and how great we've become. The climb to the mountaintop is never easy. We've made great strides, but we are not at our destination just yet. No, amigos, solo estamos comenzando. As we enter our fifth year in the Sun City, we reflect on our past and set our eyes on the future.